We have finished with the flower. Now let's make the bud. This is the bud. So in this arrangement, you see the flower and you have the bud. So we will be making the bud. Okay, we have GI wire, size 16. This is 20 centimeters. And we need green seed beads, size 3 mm, and white seed beads, size 3 mm. Let's first string 3 green beads. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then we are going to string 8 white seed beads. So we will be using the bead spinner. Okay, so 8 seed beads, 8 white seed beads, 2, 4, 6, 8. Next, we are going to insert the end on your right to the last 2 seed beads. Okay, so this is how it looks. But you have to flatten the white seed beads. Flatten it. You're going to make 3 of these. So string 3 green seed bead. 1, 2, 3. So followed by 8 white seed beads. Now you are going to insert your wire into the last 2 green seed beads and pull. Okay, so now you have this. Make sure there is no gap in between. There is no space in between, and then press together the white seed beads. So we have 2. Now we need another one. String again 3 seed beads, 3 green seed beads, and then 8 seed beads. Okay, I think that is more than enough. So we need 8 white seed beads. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So now you are going to insert the end of the wire into the last 2 seed beads. And pull. Okay, pull harder so that there will be no gap in between, no gaps in between, and then flatten the white beads. Okay, so put them together. Let's put them together. Just arrange them nicely. Okay, so now you have the bud. Then you twist the string at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's more than 4. And now you have the bud. And now we are going to make the leaves. So there are 2 leaves sizes. One is smaller and the other one bigger. So let's make the smaller bead. We have another wire here. This is 18 to 20 centimeters. We are going to string 13 seed beads. Let's string 13 seed beads. Okay. We need 13, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Okay, 13 seed beads. Now, we are going to insert again the wire here on the last 2 seed beads. So it's the same as before, but this time make the ends of the wire at length with each other. So then pull. So okay. Okay, I think that is enough. So you have here your smaller leaf, so that the bead will not slide down the wire. You have to make a knot here. Make a knot with your wire. So you have to pull this tight. Now that we have finished with the knot here at the bottom, you are going to twist the wire. So this will serve as the stem of the flowers. Okay, so this is the small leaf. Now we are going to make the bigger leaf. So here is another wire. This is 18 centimeters to 20 centimeters. This time we are going to string 18 green beads. So now we need 18 seed beads. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 18. Okay. So this is 18 seed beads. So again, we are going to insert the wire at the last 2 seed beads and make sure that the wires are on the same length. The end wires are of the same length. Okay, so then let's pull it together like this. So this is the bigger leaf, and then so that the beads will not slide down, let's make a knot at the bottom. Let's make a knot at the bottom. Sometimes it's hard to make the knot because of the wire, but you have to pull it. Okay, here it is. The knot is made, and then we need to make this little bit longer, and you have to twist the knot, twist the wires, because this will serve as the stem of the flower. So now we have 2 sizes. Okay, so for every bead, for every bud, we need two small leaves. So let's do it. So this is your bud, and you have to twist the wires. You twist the wires like this, and then you add your leaf. So you need to measure at least 2 centimeters, 2.5 centimeters as the gap for each leaf. So around here. Okay. Then hold the 2 together. Then you are going to twist. You have to twist. Okay. So here it is now. You're going to, okay, then for another 2.5 centimeters, you're going to add the next small leaf. So around here, 2.5 or 2. Okay, so around here. Okay, then hold together, then twist. Okay. So this is an easy flower arrangement to make, but this is nice and dainty, and so okay, you now have this. And with the flower, for the flower, you need one. Okay, you need one small leaf. Let's do it. I have already made few leaves already, so let's measure 2.5 from the bottom of the flower. 2.5 is here around this part, so let's put the small leaf there. Okay, hold together and twist. Okay, now you have this. Then you join the bud and the flower. You put them together. Then this time you will be using the longer leaf. So put the, okay, then put them together. And twist again. Okay. Then this time, where the flower and the bud meets, you're going to use your big leaf. So here,